How to create a Facebook business page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook business page. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, then what you can do is simply scroll down and there you can just tap on see more option. And now here from you can simply scroll down and tap on pages. And now here, once you are inside this option, then at the top you'll see the create button. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the page where you have to add the page name. So here you can simply add the page name, and once you're done with that you can simply tap on next. And now here on the next page you can simply select the categories that fits best for your business. So here you can simply search for it, and here once you're done adding it you can just tap on create. And with that, you just have to wait for some times, and there on the next page, you can customize your page. Now, here you can add a short description so people know what your page is about. Here you can add the contact through websites, emails, and phone numbers, and there, if you like, you can even add locations and available hours as well. And with that, you can simply tap on next. And here on the next page, you can even add a profile picture if you like, but you can skip it if you don't want to. And with that being said, you can just tap on next. And now here on the next page again, just tap on next button. And once you're done with everything, you can just tap on done. And that's it. That's how you can create a Facebook business page. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.